this point, ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have this couple. Yeah, couple, yung i-introduce natin ngayon.
couple.
No?
Couple, yeah.
To share their wisdom and insight with us, their message of hope, resilience, and the power of believing in yourself.
Yeah.
This will undoubtedly ignite a fire within each and every one of us. So, ladies and gentlemen, the couple, the power couple of Dreammakers Worldwide. No? The couple that does not need an introduction, actually. Let us all welcome the power couple, Mr. and Mrs. Noel and Charlene Caparoso!
Hello. Mayong hapon, mga Bisaya.
Thank you po.
Good afternoon to all. Ako sang paunahon akong misis.
Good afternoon, good morning, maing buntag, maing hapon, maing gabi, sa tanan, whole world. So, I'm Charlene Caparoso, the ex-girlfriend of Noel Caparoso. So, ako muna kasi girl first daw. So I'm just here to inspire or encourage, dedicated to mother and wife and all women. Paano namin naging diamond ng tuloy-tuloy? First is, we consider this, it's not only yung negosyo-negosyo lang. We consider this as a multi-million business. We are here in Believe Good. At first, is just to join. But when we study deeper about the business, because we are already into business, a traditional business. So, we are looking for a business for a lifetime because we are into network, especially me. I'm into network because I'm a mother. I have four daughters. If you are a mother, a little, and you can have an opportunity to do business in this kind of industry. Because if you work 8 hours a day, your time, you need your kids to be with you. Especially if you have 0 to 7 years old, your presence is very vital to your kids. Because 0 to 7 years old is their mind is so empty. Their paradigm starts with the mother because mother is the teacher before going to school. That's why just like mother, of course, the mother is the one who be with you all the time. That's why as a mother, as a wife, you have to love yourself first. Be beautiful. We are all beautiful but different shape. Each okay. You have to love yourself, not for your husband, but for yourself and for the God. But after, you have to be beautiful for your husband.
Yes. Appeal yung husband.
Because nobody's perfect. That's why when the husband turn around with somebody, they think, oh, my wife is more beautiful than her. Yes, and I know the nature of a man. So, as my experience, yeah. Sino makarelate dyan? At the age of 40, that's why Live Good, Live Good is giving us an opportunity to earn financially, to earn money, because one reason husband and wife break away because of money. And Live Good can provide that. Do not be confused by somebody else said, Live Good is a scam. Live Good is just an ordinary business. You're wrong. You have to be yourself. You have to study, Live Good, and study yourself. You have to understand yourself so that you will understand the business, and especially love yourself, love your husband, love your family, love your upline. Understand yourself so that you can understand your upline, because we are with a different culture. We have a different paradigm. That's why in our team, we give a personal development training. The money will follow after you know yourself. Because we are in business. Business is a service. You serve yourself. You serve your team. As a mother, it's your obligation to serve your children. And your downline, treat them as your children. They need you. Don't be an upline that, I am an upline. They will respect you. You gain your respect from them. You earn them with yourself. They follow you. They respect you because they want to respect you. They follow you because they know, because they love you, they love to follow you. Not because you are an upline, just follow me because I'm an upline. Don't be being, you know everything, because nobody is perfect. So that's why, as a mother, as a wife, build a love within yourself and to your team. Because God is love. Live good. I love God. If you change, I love God. And we are created by God. We are all winners. That's why nobody's perfect as husband and wife, and also to the team. When your husband, consider when your mother or whoever your loved ones within your family, don't look at them as negative. Don't look at their negative character. Help them to become positive. Encourage them. Look at the positive of your husband. You care for them just like taking care of your family. Care
Sir.
your team.
You see, this is really very good example to husband and wife. Can you stand up, husband and wife? This is your business, not only your husband or your wife. This is family business.
Yes. That's why this is the first time I'm being an businesswoman. This is the first time that I earned more than what I need. Live good only is giving me a passive income. Who want to do that? Who want to have that?
Yes.
I hope nga daghan mi diri magdayamon nga women. Because I know women is madiskarte. So that's why, and we also understand how to love, because we are destined to love. And that's the essence of a woman, to love and to be loved. So if we love, we don't need to look for kapalit. Do not look, tell your downline, magtrabaho ka kasi. May porsyento ako sa iyo. Don't look at that. Just help them to grow. God knows. Siya na ang magbiyaya sa iyo. Kahit cross line man or we are one family. So we help each other. So yung mga parang before na sa akin, yung sa akin, change it. You serve them first because service is a part of giving. And the secret of living is giving. Not only money. Give your time, give your effort, whatever somebody needs. Yung kaya lang nyo. Kasi we are all limited. Kung sa isip natin is, we are just a physical. But, if we think that we are the son of God, son of daughter of God, we are unlimited.
Yes.
Kaya natin
Amen.
to lahat.
There is no limit. Only the limit you set.
That's why we became diamond for until now. Because we love each other. Yes! So, wala kasi ditong upline ko. I love you upline. I thank her because without her, hindi ako makapunta dito sa Live Good. So maintain a gratitude, an attitude of gratitude. Kahit sino pa yan, wala tayong mapipili kasi siya ang binigay ni Lord sa iyo na maging upline mo. So, kagaya din ng husband. Hindi ko ito, ako ang upline eh. So, siya ang binigay ni Lord sa akin. Ganon. So, kaya, masarap kasi pag husband and wife, yung magtulungan. Kasi, every now and then, you talk whatever challenges, whatever circumstances that comes into your team, husband and wife, is sticker, yung ideas, and the blessing also. But I'm not saying that kung hindi husband and wife, all of us is a daughter and son of God. We are loved by God. Only us. We have all the talents and abilities that God give us. That's why one of our training is to recognize what's our gift from God. So that all of us, we can be a diamond anytime in God's perfect time. 100 diamonds for DMW. So, we commit 10. We commit 10 diamonds from Rainbow Club team. From Cebu.
Yay!
From Visayas and Mindanao and Luzon. So I'm welcome all the team here, especially from Canada and Canada. So I'm so happy and grateful and thankful to God and Coach Fernan also, because without him doing this as a leader, we're not here. So we help each other. We help Coach Fernan to grow the Team Philippines. So, ikaw na, sir.
Thank you. This is really good that as a team, husband and wife, it really can help your team also be a model. Be the model of the team. This is what we learn to grow bigger. By the way, my background is I'm a retired mechanical engineer. Retired just 2 years ago. I decided to retire because I've seen Live Good, pwede na yung mag-retire. Pwedeng mag-retire because this is the best business for us. We study this and we really check this because somebody is looking this as a small-time business because of the capital of 3,000 pesos only. They think this is a small business. But I will tell you, you're wrong if you're thinking like that. This is big business, long-term, passive income business. Because when we started, there's nothing wrong the first 2 years in the making of Live Good. We really study this because not everybody is with business background. 95% are employees. We accept that. And we learn that most of us wants money immediately. 15:30, that is our mindsetting. We are programmed to do that in school. Sorry to say, we are programmed to do that to become an employee, not to become a businessman. But we found out that everything can be changed. Live Good is the starting point. Live Good is the starting point to become a true entrepreneur. There is no reason that you cannot become a true entrepreneur. It's only 3,000 pesos to start and 20 pesos a day that you need to save to build your business. Everybody can afford that. You check, even somebody sweeping the floor knows that they can afford that. For us, there is two things that you need to know on building Live Good. First, you must get the right person that will build you. At least 5. At least 5 person who will be with you on building the business. 2, 3, but for me, this is our culture now in Cebu. You select 5 person in your team to build the business. That is the first step. The next step is to lead them to do the same. 5 by 5 is the best way. You can become a crown diamond for 5 by 5. Not only diamond, you can become a crown diamond with 5 by 5. But it takes time for you to learn this. There is no easy money. I will tell you this. I've been in business for so long, there is no easy big money. There is no easy big money. You need to work on it. Live Good is not an investment because some of the people who join Live Good first, they think they just put the money and they make money. Wrong. Live Good is a business, not an investment. You must know that, and you must put that one in your mindset that this is a business, not an investment. Business will not work without work. All businessman knows this. If you are already engaged in business, there is no business that will give you a passive income without working. Remember that. For me, we have a good team now. What is that team? Above and Beyond. Most of us here are doing network marketing. This is the first. When my wife told me, there is new things. What is that? Networking? Because I've been in business already, but I've seen it. What is that? Networking again?
Tinalikuran niya ako eh.
networking because I don't like to sell. I don't like to sell because my time is not worth selling products, small products. I want to build a business because I've been in business. Selling products is one thing. There is another thing you need before selling, marketing. Live Good is designed. This is what we learn. Live Good is designed not to sell alone. You can sell. You're not really bawal na magbenta. Pero for us to become a diamond, you don't need to sell even. But you need to use the product if you want to be healthy. See, first thing, this is what we are really trying to educate people. Live Good is marketing. Marketing means you promote, you endorse. Artista lang tayo dito. Endorser. You must understand that. You cannot become a diamond if you are not artista. Hindi ka artista. Promoter lang tayo. But sometimes why people quit? Because they are really put this one in their heart that pag ma-reject, there is so much things nga nasa isip na eh. Put this one in your mind, just share.
Bawal mag-negative.
Oh, just share if he will come in or join the business, good. If not, it's still good. Just sharing. Don't put that one in your heart na i-reject kayo. Because if you are doing that, you will fail on this business. For us, this is really, as a network marketer, I've seen my wife. Last 2000, we started in her doing network marketing. But this time, because of innovation, this is not, we will go above and beyond as a networker. Above and beyond as networker. Think on that. This is not anymore selling products. The system is the one who sell. We are just getting members here. That is one thing that you need to know. The next thing, if you want really to succeed in this Live Good business, as per survey, networker stays 2.8 months. Remember that, 2.8 months they stay as a networker. Average. If you want really to become a true entrepreneur, your mindset will be long term. 3 to 5 years for us, that is your, what is that? You set that time. If you will not reach 5 years, I will tell you, you will fail with this. With that mindset na 1 year, 2 years, there is no entrepreneur who stopped within 1 to 2 years. The true entrepreneur will stay 5 to 10 years in traditional business. Our business, I developed my business 10 years before I make money. That's why we are not afraid of all of these, somebody will, attrition, may mga ganon. Wala yan.
Just part of
That's part of your training. If there is problem, entrepreneurs are paid to solve problems.
We are a problem solver, especially
You are
in
paid.
money.
Don't worry, if there is problem, open. Solve that problem and you make money. That is the true entrepreneur. Be happy that there is a problem because it will develop you to make you stronger as an entrepreneur. I hope that we impart something. That is why when DMW have the first anniversary. We are happy. We are only 6 when he came to Manila. But now, we are already 20 plus from Cebu. 20 plus in Cebu. But first, we are only 6 committed leaders because we give them the goal. We give them the goal. Sa Bisaya pa na, ugwa kay goal, kuwanggol. Kisay Bisaya diri. Kay bawa mo unsay kuwanggol.
Kuwang sa goal.
Kuwang sa goal.
Lack of goals.
Lack of goal if you don't have a goal. Ang tawag na mo dito, kuwanggol na. I hope nga dili mo kuwanggol. You set
It's a
something. Because that is 2 things that you need to succeed in any business. First, you must set the goal. Next is you must know who you are and where you are. Because you cannot change you if you don't know you. The key here is developing yourself. You set that higher goal, but your level of awareness is nasubos. It's really down. But you need to elevate that yourself in order to match your goal. If you don't know this, you will really have difficulty in growing. That is 2 things you need to know. But the challenge, most of us in network marketing, we know that we have that goal. But sometimes there is some challenge that for us, they said, it must be smart goal. But for us, it must be a fantasy. It must be a fantasy because once you set that fantasy, you have the direction. The goal is another thing. They call it performance goal with time bounded. But your ultimate goal, it's your fantasy. That's what really you want. Every time we ask our prospect, what really you want, nga happy ka? That is your setting. Just like the air condition, because that's my business, yung thermostat mo, low. Pag low, at least, yung iba pa dyan, conditional. Pag si upline, walang tulong, walang mangyari. Discourage. Pero sa amin, no. We don't, wala yan. Set that. That is your goal, not your upline's goal. Not your downline goal. You must have that set high as possible. And you will not regret it. That is the first requirement to become successful. I hope that we give you something now. And thank you for the time to come here. Because I will tell you, diamonds are born in events.
Yeah.
Bring your people to come here in every event because they will know how to become a diamond. Thank you and good afternoon.
Thank you.
Grabe yon, grabe yon.